In my previous video, I have shown you how to recharge a lithium-ion battery using TP4056 module. In this video, we will use the setup and make emergency light, in other words a torch light. In order to make this light, I will be using 1 watt white LEDs because they are very bright and small in size. The difference between a normal LED and a 1 watt LED is that a normal LED consumes around 20 milliamps of current while a 1 watt white LED consumes around 350 milliamps of current, and they both operate at same 3.7 volts. I want to power this entire LED setup with a single 18650 lithium ion battery. It is rated at 3.7 volts and 2000 milliamp hour. Since I am using a single cell, I can't go for series connection, but I can connect multiple LEDs in parallel. Let's do some math here. My battery is of 2000 milliamp hour and a single LED consumes around 350 milliamps. If I connect 5 LEDs in parallel, total current will be 1750 milliamps, that is 350 multiplied by 5. And by using this setup, I'll get around 1 hour of battery backup. As you can see here, I have connected 5 LEDs in parallel using 2 copper wires and with the help of a small wooden piece. I have started off by keeping the 4056 IC and battery inside of a box using hot glue. Then I have attached a small PVC pipe to hold this entire thing. One side of the box I have connected a switch and at front side I have connected my LEDs. The LEDs are connected to out plus and out minus terminals of 4056 IC with a switch in series with them. And finally this is how it looks like, and it's testing time. If you have any doubts, please do comment, and I will see you next time.